G'day, my name's Ethan. I'm a mechanic here at Sideways Experience. I've been here for about a year now, and yeah, getting stuck into the next season now. As you can see, it's off season, absolutely freezing, so it makes it pretty hard to work. But we were supposed to be at the track tuning the car that we've been working on all week, and now we can't really do that anymore because of the snow. But fingers crossed the miracles happen, you know, we can get the yellow car out there and actually get to drive it. This year we've just moved into this giant new workshop, about triple the size of our old one. Plenty of room for this year's projects for all of our customers.
Good morning, guys. Today we're gonna start our drift lesson in Ebisu Circuit on this crazy weather. Cold, snowing, and yeah, we have our friend here. He have no experience on drift cars, but he have a lot of experience on simulators. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how far we can get today. Let's go. Because a lot of people can. I'm gonna turn right here, first gear, raise the power, always 2 hands on the wheel. Don't try to drive cleaning the wheel like everyone does. And power up, clutch. So soon you lift the clutch, you give throttle the car, and the car will get sideways and keep spinning the tires, okay? So hold the wheel, let it go, and the car gets sideways. Okay, it's gonna be really hard. So don't worry about speed, worry about to make the run, okay? So you're gonna come from there, first gear, okay?
First of all, my name is Jeevan. I'm from Barbados in the Caribbean. This is my first time in Japan, obviously first time at Ebisu. It's a lifelong dream basically to come here and drift. It's an honor to be taught by Fausto. He's an amazing driver, especially to be taught by a Formula Drift driver is truly a pleasure and an honor. It's been sweet. I've got quite a few hours, over 1,000 hours of simulator time over 10 years. So learning it's weird. I was speaking with one of the other guys that flies a drone, Richard. He said he also came from sim drifting. It's like you know what to do, but you don't know how you're doing it. So it's kind of a weird sensation feeling the G's on the body. I know exactly, I'm used to counter steering and kind of throttle control and everything, but it's very cool to put it all into action. So it's a sick experience. I'm honored that I was able to do it, especially in this weather. We've got snow falling right now, but we're making it happen, man, and it's truly, truly an honor. So thank you for having me, and I'm excited to learn more.
How's it going, Mesma?
Well, you know, normal teething problems. So the car wasn't making any boost. Jono has gone through, like, just rewritten the whole thing from scratch. It's on closed loop boost. It's on model fuel now. Like, he just started from scratch. So fingers crossed we can get it sorted. But alright, so how did the 350 go? The 350 went surprisingly really well, apart from two issues, and it has everything to do with boost control, and it is hitting a lean, what we think is a lean cut. So what we're going to do is run back to the workshop, get a fuel pressure gauge and try to run that into the car so we can actually monitor that. We're unsure what this cut is, but it's a real pain. Other than that, the car, you know, it actually moves. I'm pretty surprised at how actually quick the car is. We're only seeing about 8 pounds of boost, so it's very surprising how quick the car is. I reckon it's drivable. It's a bit laggy, but I reckon we can drive it.
Sweet. Okay, so today we're finishing our drift tuition. We have over here a simulator driver, drift in 5 hours. Yeah. That's the main thing. That's fucking crazy for me. Every time I teach someone who already know how to drift without being on a drift car, it just don't make sense. So yeah, he come over here. He said he don't have any experience on drifting, and he get on the car. JZX is a big car, is heavy, and the track condition didn't help anything. We have on the start was rainy and patchy, and after we have snow and got dry, and yeah, everything. I think he experienced every different track condition is possible for any drifter, and he make happen. So yeah, he did all the corners like on full throttle, and like Nishi is not that easy track. And the way we did, like with the clipping points, you know, out zone, like pushing the limits to the edge of the car and the driver, is not really that easy. And also, I think probably I teach over 100 to 200 drivers already, and it's like the way I did it with him was kind of different, because I see he have a lot of knowledge on the wheel and the throttle. So I tried to push more on details and try to get him driving on the mistakes, you know, not just like learning actual drift. Like I told him already, learning drift is one thing. Yeah. Learning how to fix the mistakes is totally different. So we have a great day. He take care of the car. Car was good. Actually, like I scratched the fucking front wheel. Cut that word, but I scratched the wheel, trying to show him what you cannot do, and I did really good.
You did a great job.
And yeah, but everything's good. Car's good. We had a great day. I think he had a great day. Yeah, he didn't get sick, because a lot of people get sick when driving a drift car for the first time, and he drove like without any problem. So I think I just have to say thank you so much to take care of the car, and you know, listen for every advice I gave to him, because it's really hard, you know, 5 hours being someone next to you just telling your mistakes. It's just like it's not everyone who's able to do that way. So sometimes we have just stopped saying the mistakes and just giving the good side. But soon we finish that side, we have to back on mistakes again, because he's here to learn, you know. Absolutely. And it was a good day for us.
Yeah. So overall, the experience was everything I expected and more. This was at the very top of my bucket list, and I'm really glad we could make it happen. I want to say thank you to Fausto, Juliana, and the whole Sideways X team. It was just so well, last minute, really well put together, and I'm really grateful that everyone could come out on such a cold and shitty day. You can bleep that word as well.
Thank for the weather.
Of course, yeah. It was an amazing experience. I surprised myself, I think, a little bit with what I was able to do in the car. Again,
how many hours you have on simulator?
Over 10 years, about over 1,500 hours on the simulator, and that's between grip and drift and everything in between. But
also go-kart racing.
Yeah, and I do a bit of go-kart racing at home just for fun. Nothing too
it's
serious.
really not fair. It's not fair to learn drift in 5 hours like that.
I have some knowledge, and I was really happy to see that it could translate from just being behind a screen to hopping in a car. And really inspiring myself to push myself harder to get a car up and running, or maybe get back up to Japan as soon as possible, and maybe do like these guys and spend a year or two here to just have some fun. But no, like he said, I got a mix of everything. The rain was a cool feeling. The snow was extremely tough. Everything completely changed in the car. It was very hard to manage. And then being able to absolutely send it at the end in the dry was truly
and he made up the hill, down the hill. He did like everything he's supposed to do on Nishi. So
it was fun.
It was good.
After watching all the YouTube videos for years and being able to do it myself in the car, such a sick feeling. If you're thinking about coming to do this, make it happen. Don't worry about the money, you'll make it back. This is just too good of an experience. And again, thank you to everyone that was here to take me through it. It was truly,
and for you who watching this video, remember, he was a driver on the simulator, and he came here in 5 hours and did something. I will say probably like from 10 drivers, probably 2 drivers who can make happen. If you have experience on simulator. If you don't have experience on simulator for 5 hours, I won't say it was impossible, but it's pretty hard.
I'll tell you what, but having a teacher like him, it helps a lot. Like I said at the beginning, it's an absolute honor to be taught by somebody of his level, and the little tips he was giving me to help change the things that I knew, which is the hardest thing to do for yourself, really changed everything. So again, thank you so much, brother. It was an absolute pleasure.
It was a good day.
Absolutely, man. Love it.
Peru,